Welcome to Switzerland. Welcome to Ihde Dental. Ihde Dental is located in Switzerland, surrounded by mountains and with a beautiful view of Lake Zurich, embedded in a natural landscape that inspires our precision and quality every day. For 70 years, Ihde Dental has redefined the way we smile. From our humble beginnings to becoming global leaders in dental innovation. Switzerland is famous for high-precision products. We produce our implants out of strong medical titanium. Our certified quality standards guarantee dentists and patients safe products. Our innovative surface treatment is done by laser and therefore leaves the implants clean of any residue. Thanks to our ultrasonic and washing processes, we can ensure that our implants are free of foreign particles and cell-toxic contaminants. Our packaging and product storage are also done in-house. The packaging is specially designed to ensure maximum safety. Thanks to high standards of sterility and safety processes, every product is securely protected from production to delivery. Our products are available in more than 50 countries all around the world. Who wants to wait when life is calling? With our implant technology, people can get their smiles back in 72 hours. Ihde Dental offers different designs of implants, from compression screws to corticobasal implants, to cover all needs of our customers. Our manufacturing process is certified according to international medical standards. Investing in education is investing in yourself. Become part of the future of implantology. Our strong scientific partner, the International Implant Foundation. IF was founded with the aim of standardizing the methods and practices of dental implantology in immediate loading and making them accessible to all interested parties worldwide. The insights gained are not only presented in numerous scientific articles and studies, they are also constantly included in the courses of the International Implant Foundation, IF. This way, all participants benefit from up-to-date knowledge at the highest level. Join us and find new ways to explore in the future. Ihde Dental, building confident smiles, implant by implant.